Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet with a credit card. So first thing you have to do is just open your Trust Wallet, and then from here, just go ahead and tap on buy beside the receive button. So go ahead and click on that one. So once you click on that one, you will see here all the cryptocurrency. You can also tap on the search bar to search your specific crypto that you want to buy. But in this example, we're choosing the BTC. So click on that one, and then from here, you just have to go to the flag at the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on that so we can change the cryptocurrency. So here, just go ahead and choose whatever currency that you want to purchase your crypto with. So I'm gonna use the US dollar or USD. So from here, just tap on buy with the credit card. So make sure that you have your credit card details with you. So go ahead and click on that one. And from here, you can choose any wallet that you have. So go ahead and tap on any credit card that you have. So I'm going to choose MoonPay. Tap on that one. And then from here, you can type in the amount that you want to purchase the cryptocurrency. So I'm putting here $100. So at the bottom of that, you will see the cryptocurrency that you will receive. So from here, just go ahead and tap on continue at the bottom. So just click on this one. So after that, you just have to put here your email address so that you can receive the PIN code or the OTP. So just type in your email here. So once you're done putting your email, just go ahead and tap on continue at the bottom. And now you will be asked for a verification code. So go ahead and open your Gmail, and then there you will see the verification code that they have sent you. So just copy it and paste it in here, and then tap on continue right after that. So in here, you just have to enter your card details. So put here your card number, the expiry date, and the CVC. So you also have to put here the card billing address. And once you're done, just tap on continue and the transaction will be proceeded. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.